Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. And it looks like a nice start out there today on this Monday afternoon. You can see the crystal clear sky once again today, pretty much all across the ArkLaTex. We will see the clouds begin to increase as soon as tonight over much of the area. This is what we're watching as far as the weather here. You can see a disturbance, which is, first of all, a little batch of colder air settling into the middle of the country. We have some upper level energy, which is approaching the west coast. This is going to slide its way towards the west and bring us an increase in the rainfall across the ArkLaTex. Beginning late tomorrow over the northern edge of the area, and that threat of rain will gradually shift to the south tomorrow night and Wednesday. So here's a look at Robin's Toyota FUTURECAST taking you through the next 2 or 3 days. And you can see that tonight we will see a clear sky over most of the area, a bit more in terms of clouds across the northern part of the ArkLaTex. Heading through tomorrow, we will see the clouds continue to spread a little bit further and further to the south as we progress through the day. Slight chance for some rain over the northern sections of the ArkLaTex. Tomorrow night, the clouds continue to increase and the threat of rain will continue to increase, especially over the northern half of the area. And we'll see that threat of rain continue to spread more and more towards the south heading through the day. Wednesday, a few rumbles of thunder will be possible, but we're not looking at anything as far as a severe weather threat with this system. Look for that rain to gradually begin to taper off Wednesday night, as we will see the clouds also begin to break up here heading through the day Thursday. Here's a longer range version of FutureCast showing you the rain tapering off Wednesday night. And then Thursday we begin with lots of clouds. We likely will end Thursday with some sunshine during the afternoon, and that clearing trend will continue Thursday night, setting up another extended period of dry weather for the ArkLaTex as some of the coldest air of the season eventually settles into the region. As far as rainfall potential, it looks like, generally speaking, I would expect to see a ½ inch or more. ½ inch to an inch is a reasonable expectation. It's possible you might see a little bit less, and it's also possible that a few locations in the ArkLaTex could see more than an inch of rain, but we're not expecting any flooding issues given the light nature of the rain that is on the way. Now, longer range, we will see again the drier weather settle back into the region. Here comes that disturbance, which will produce the rain for the middle of the week. It clears. We will see a cool down to close the week, and then upper level high pressure will be able to ride over the ArkLaTex here, giving us again quiet conditions this weekend and the first half of next week. You can see another trough here across the Rockies. That's going to give us our next chance of rain towards the end of next week. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. We will see a clear sky over the southern 2/3 of the area. Partly cloudy, maybe mostly cloudy across the north. Temperatures ranging from the upper 40s north to the lower 50s south. That includes 52 tonight in Shreveport, 51 degrees for the nighttime low in Texarkana. And then tomorrow, look for the clouds to increase over the northern half of the area. Chance for some rain over the northern half of the area as well in the afternoon, as highs will range from the low to middle 60s north, where we will see more clouds for a longer part of the day. Highs further south in the low to middle 70s, including 74 in Shreveport. Here's a look at your 10-day forecast, and it shows the likelihood of rain here for Wednesday that ends over the southeastern sections of the area Thursday morning. Notice the cool down. Highs in the 50s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Lows will dip into the mid to upper 30s, and then we'll see a warm up back to the mid 70s by the middle part of next week, with another chance for some rain towards the end of next week. So all in all, looks like some changes on the way. We've had some warm temperatures the last few days, but the coolest air of the season could arrive by the end of the week.